So, yeah, steering timing is good, but yeah, it was a little messy on the steering wheel. So, what we'll do, you can switch the wipers off as well. What I'm going to get you to do, it's going to be uncomfortable. I'll let you drive with one hand.
Okay.
This means you cannot put big steering inputs in. You trust me, naturally, your steering will improve.
Right.
So, try that now. Good. So, now it's getting more comfortable letting go of the wheel, because then you gripped it a couple of times and we're making those little adjustments, but you're quietened down on the steering wheel now, driving with one hand.
Yeah,
and we'll go back to two afterwards once you've got the good habits. Good. So, I have faith this will be the one that feels nice. Let go. Good. Sweet. So in itself, it inherently kind of limits how much you can put in. Alright, try this one then. Good. Yes. Well done. Slow it down. No, don't apologise. That was the best steering you've done the whole time.
Shit, it's
Alright, go for it, go on. Good. Yeah. Well done. Really nice. Really like that. Going from 0 to this, be proud of that, genuinely, it's awesome. So yeah, now you're just going to get used to the idea of, like, you just feel the wheel slide through your fingers before catching it again. So what I'd like you to do, get your steering completed to the corner before you add the power. And then be assertive with that throttle. So turn it, now go. Good. 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 Well done, throttle, loads of it. Loads. Now lift off and let go. Good. Nicely done. So there wasn't much of a weight transfer. If there was, you'd have sort of shot it straight to the other side. I'm convinced we will get a left to right this session. Good. Yeah, but steering again was perfect. Really nice and relaxed, and you let the wheel slide. So you can go back to two hands now that you've got all the good habits. Cool stuff. Go on, keep it going. Alright, off throttle. Woo! Big weight transfer. But we're getting there now, we're making attempts at this right-hander. It's funny how much more time you feel like you have. If you're going from the left into the right, the right-hander feels like a way more comfortable corner. When you're just initiating in the right, you're like, oh my god, this is very close to the field and very fast. Cool. So what we'll do, I want you to slow down at the start of the corner and then initiate, and you'll be up to the right speed. At the moment we're washing a little wider of the turns, like that last time we went a bit wide, and that one we went a little bit wide. Cool stuff. So a little faster, tiny bit. Good, that's nice there. So turn it in, wait for it. Now go. Back on the power, go on. That's it. Go and try the right hand there. Lovely. Off the gas. Oh, it wasn't bad. Well done. Go and try this. Good. Not too much. Well done. But you've got good habits where you're not braking, where you might spin. So if you are sideways and you press the brakes, it grabs the front wheels first, so it just pivots you around. So if you think you're going to spin, don't brake until the last second, really. Very nice indeed. Power. Stay on it. Now, yeah, go on, power. Well done, lift off and brake. Well done. travel the track quite quickly when you're cleaning it up, don't you?
That was a fast approaching corner.
Alright, cool. Now at the moment you're taking your steering, but you're not steering as if you're going around the corner. It's a little bit too shallow.
Right, okay.
So I want you to turn in a little bit tighter before you initiate.
Right.
That's it. So you're literally looking to drive around the whole corner. That's it now. There you go. So now we're not worried about washing wide and
Yeah.
good stuff. Nicely done. Go and try this one. Good. Power, power, power. And brake. Oh, well done. That's probably the closest I've had someone attempt that top corner. So all you would have to have done, that was all great,
Yeah.
and you would have made it. So as you've transitioned the weight coming into the left-hander, you have to use the foot brake,
Right.
and that slows the speed down, but the car does stay sideways.
Yeah.
Just be aware when you're on the foot brake, do it gently.
Generally, yeah.
Cool. That's really good. Really nice. Shift up to second quickly, try and make the back half to the left. Good, go on, yeah, go on the gas. That's it. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, no! Well done. Very sideways though, through the right hand. Nice, a lot of the time you can control the speed of the car with the angle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fast. Yeah. Looking forward to pulling the views out of that, to be honest. It's a lot frustrating. Loads of gas, come on. Good. Lift. Go. Gently now. No gas, no gas, no gas. Gas. Oh! You held that so well. That was brilliant. That was really good.
Sorry, I've ruined the video.
So, do you do any sim drifting or anything like that?
No. I want to get into it.
So expensive.
Yeah.
Right, no one progresses from 0 to this that quick. Like, you've done insanely well.
It's probably there. I was that's why I missed the bottom of this, because you're going to be sick and just all you do is watch drifting.
Yeah. That's it, go on. That's it, power, come on, stay on it. Good. Gently now. Yeah, that's good. Okay, on the power. Power, power, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Gently, gently, and go, power, power! Yes! Well done! Yeah, you were looking. That was brilliant though. That was savage, genuinely. Really
man, that was
good.
so close.
Give it one more attempt. I mean, we should have finished a couple of laps ago, but that's fine. We'll do one more lap and call it a day. Unless that car's fully gone. Yeah, we'll pull up at the bottom if we can. It's just started delapping, so there's been some tyre hanging off. If I can remove bits of tyre, then we'll go again.